How much house do you actually need? Because this is the biggest one on the street, and it's the only 2-story, so let me show you what the extra space buys you. We're in Justin, Texas, inside Northwest ISD. (2,178 square feet), 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. That third full bath is the thing people don't expect at this size, and it's the difference between guests sharing with your kids and guests having their own. Downstairs is the main living area. Living room, dining, and kitchen all open to each other with quartz surfaces, a stainless steel appliance package, and a gas range. Luxury vinyl plank through the main living areas. The primary bedroom is separated out from the rest of the home. Quartz counters in the primary bath, a spacious shower, and wood shelving in the closet instead of wire. Then head upstairs, because that's where this home separates itself. You've got the additional bedrooms up here, plus a second living space, which is the room that quietly saves your sanity when the kids get older. Home is connected as included. Front door, thermostat, lighting, and garage, all from your phone. Outside, sod and irrigation are in, and the backyard has a stained privacy fence. If you've been waiting for more room, bring the family out and walk it. Text me at 214-449-9978. I'm Bryan Farmer with DR Horton here in North Fort Worth.